In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix website and how to unpublish a Wix website. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is done correctly. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website. Log into your account and you'll be directed to the My Sites or My Account page on Wix.com. This page lists all the websites associated with your account, giving you an overview of your online presence. Take a moment to locate the specific site you wish to delete or unpublish. Once you've found the correct site, click on Site Actions. This menu provides various options for managing your site. When you click Site Actions, you'll see an option labeled Move to Trash. Go ahead and click on Move to Trash. A confirmation prompt will likely appear to ensure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice and this action will move your website to the virtual trash, effectively deleting it from your list. Remember, this step doesn't permanently delete your site. It only moves it to the trash, where you can still recover it if needed. Now let's transition to the unpublishing process, which is helpful if you'd like to keep your site but make it unavailable to the public. Start by visiting the Wix website editor. Within the editor, locate and click on the Site option in the menu. This section contains various settings and controls for your website. After you've clicked Site, look for the option labeled Unpublish Site. Selecting this will prompt another confirmation message. Carefully review the information to ensure you understand the action you're about to take before confirming. Clicking Unpublish will make your website inaccessible to the public, though all your design and content will remain intact in the editor for future use or edits. By following these steps, you can effectively manage the visibility and presence of your Wix websites. Remember, deleting a site by moving it to the trash does not erase it permanently. It simply removes it from your main list. Similarly, unpublishing a site is a reversible action, meaning you can republish it anytime to make it visible again. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial on deleting and unpublishing Wix websites. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful guides just like this one. Until next time, have a great day managing your sites.